Hi, welcome back to Transcendental Experiences. Before I continue to tell you about encounters with unknown entities in the next videos, I want to share with you what I captured in a photograph in a well-known national park here in the United States. When I was on vacation with my family, when I entered this huge tree, I began to take pictures. After returning home, when I reviewed the photographs, I found that there was a dark figure. This figure, apparently invisible to our eyes, was behind my family members. In the pictures, it can be seen how this dark shadow suddenly begins to manifest. Wherever this dark entity came from, if it was an elemental from nature, a dark spirit, or whatever it was, these pictures are evidence to me that we are not alone in this planet or in the universe. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next video.